Do employers hire immigrants with temporary work authorization? Imagine trying to fill a job opening and wondering if immigrants with temporary work permits can be part of your team. Well, many employers do hire these workers, and here is how it works. Temporary work authorization allows immigrants to work legally in the United States for a set period. This includes visas like the H-1B for specialty jobs, the H-2A for temporary agricultural work, and the H-2B for non-agricultural seasonal jobs. It also covers statuses like deferred action for childhood arrivals and temporary protected status. Employers often turn to these programs because they need workers for seasonal, temporary, or specialized roles that are hard to fill locally. For example, farms use H-2A visas to hire workers for planting and harvesting seasons. Hospitality businesses might use H-2B visas for summer or holiday staffing. These programs requiring employers to apply and get approval from government agencies to ensure they are not taking jobs away from U.S. workers. The H-2A program helps farmers find seasonal workers, but it has a limit of around 200,000 visas each year. If that cap is reached, employers might have to wait until next year to hire more workers. H-2B visas are used for jobs like landscaping, hospitality, and construction, with a yearly cap of 66,000 visas. Employers must prove they cannot find enough U.S. workers before hiring foreign workers. Immigrants with DACA or temporary protected status also have work authorization that is renewable. They can get Social Security numbers and work legally without needing an employer to sponsor them. If they have valid work permits, employers cannot refuse to hire them just because of their immigration status. When hiring immigrants with temporary work authorization, employers must complete Form I-9, which verifies the worker's legal right to work. This form is required by law and must be filled out within 3 days of starting employment. Employers should keep copies of the work permit and other documents to show compliance. For immigrant parents and families, holding temporary work authorization means they can earn income legally and support their families while following U.S. employment rules. It also helps them build a path toward longer-term immigration options if they choose to pursue them later. In summary, many employers do hire immigrants with temporary work authorization because these workers fill important roles, especially in seasonal or specialized jobs. The authorization allows these workers to contribute economically and helps employers meet their labor needs legally and responsibly.